So I've made a little video of how to use marble paste along with the bathroom duoglove, followed by the bathroom Enjofil to dry off, to remove stubborn staining on my wet wall in my bathroom, presumably caused by tanning products or hair dyes. So we're just going to wet the bathroom duoglove and put a little marble paste onto the glove and move round in small circles to remove the staining from the wet wall. And the staining will just absorb into the fibre, the glove, with a little help from the marble paste. No effort needed, it will just grab all that into the glove. And then once we've removed all the staining with the glove, we then take the bathroom Enjofil to dry off, and it leaves a lovely gleaming effect. Nice and shiny to finish. Marble paste can be used all over the home, on stainless steel, ceramic hobs and ovens, extractor hoods, pots, baking trays, oven dishes, grills, wet wall, bathroom grout. It is made of marble powder for a natural abrasive action. There is no harmful ingredients in it, and it gives a great polishing effect without scratching the surfaces. It can replace all other abrasive cleaners in your home and will even remove rust stains.